Dear students, welcome to my online class. How are you? Hope you are all fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. I am Polashen, Assistant Headmaster of Mirzapur High School. Today I will discuss with you about the transformation of sentence. For complex sentence, we can use though although as a connector. For simple sentence, we can use in spite of as a connector. And for compound sentence, we can use but as a connector. So dear students, I have written here 3 sentences, and every sentence starts with though although. So if complex sentence starts by though although, then we have to make it simple by using in spite of. So dear students, I will show you today how to make simple sentence by using in spite of. Before going to discuss about that, I will discuss with you about the position of these 3 sentences. First of all, you see here every sentence starts by though although. Then you can see subject, then this one also subject, this one also subject. After subject you see here verb, then adjective. After subject you can see this one, you see here this one is to be verb, this one is have verb, and that one is main verb. So in case of to be verb, how can you change it? In case of have verb, how can you change this complex into simple? In case of main verb, how can you change this complex into simple? I will show you now today. So we can write here instead of, or in place of though although, I can write here in spite of. In spite of, I can write here in spite of. Then the possessive form of subject. You know, he is a subject. Object him, the possessive form is his. So we can change this subject into possessive by his. So in spite of his, here you see to be verb. For to be verb, we know to be verb is am, is, are, was, were. These are all to be verb. For this to be verb, we have to use being. In spite of his being, I have used here in spite of, then the possessive form of subject, then I have used being for to be verb. Then the rest of the part of this clause, with. Then I have to use comma. Then you should add the second clause. No need to change second clause. So I have done this complex sentence into simple by using in spite of. And we can now go to the number 2 exercise. You see here, this sentence also starts by although. So although I told you before, instead of although, we have to use in spite of. And the possessive form of subject. And the subject, after subject you see here had. Had is have verb. We know have verb is a primary auxiliary verb. Have verb are have, has, had. These 3 are have verb. So for have verb, we can use having. For have verb, we can use having. So in spite of his having good qualification, in spite of his having good qualification, now you can write the second clause. He did not get a good job. So dear students, I have changed complex to simple by using to be verb, by using to be verb, by using have verb. Now I am going to change by using main verb. So though he worked hard, he failed in the examinations. So this one also start with though. This complex sentence start with though. So as usually we will use here in spite of. And the subject possessive form of subject, that means is. And the verb is now in the form of in past form, worked. So we have to use ing with this verb, but we know that very well. We always use ing with the B1 form of verb. So that's why I'm using ing with the B1 form this word. Then I'm using ing with that particular word, with that particular verb. So in spite of his working hard, he failed in the examinations. Dear students, I have done 3 simple sentences by using in spite of. So if you can change this sentence into simple by using in spite of and to be verb. If you see to be verb, then you have to use be. For have verb, you have to use having, and for main verb, you have to use ing. So these 3 types of sentences I have done here. I am going to write another more 3 sentences. So dear students, this one is number 4. Though he is rich, he has no. Though he is rich, he has no peace of mind. Though he has much riches, he lives a simple life. That you have to change, this sentence you have to change in simple. This sentence also you have to change in simple. I am now changing this sentence into simple. I told you before to write at the beginning of the simple sentence in spite of. If you see though at the beginning of complex sentence, in spite of, subject will be possessive in spite of his. And the to be verb, for to be verb we have to use being. Dear students, you have to remember very carefully. For to be verb we have to use being, for have verb we have to use having, and for main verb we have to use ing for with V1 form of verb. So that's why I have written here in spite of his being. In spite of his being rich, he has no peace of mind. Though he is rich, he has no peace of In spite of his being rich, he has no peace of mind. This one also I have done. You know, these types of sentences are available in your grammar book. You will get a lot of exercise to practice. I have given here only 5 sentences to make you understand my topics properly. So that's number 5. Though he has much riches, in spite of, he is having much riches, he leads a simple life. In spite of his having much riches, he leads a simple life. So, I believe this lesson is clear to you, is completely clear to you. Now I will write the rules of making simple sentence by using in spite of. So, my dear students, right now the rules of this exercise. I am writing the rules of this exercise. I am writing the rules of this exercise. First one, use in spite of. Use in spite of, in place of, though, although. In place of though, although. So dear students, use in spite of, in place of though, although. Then number 2, possessive form of subject. Possessive form of subject. Number 3 is very important here. You know that I told you before in doing exercise. In number 3, you have to proceed very carefully. In number 3, for to be verb, you have to use being. So I am writing down, use being for am, is, are, was, were. So my dear students, use being, that is vital. Use being for am, is, are, was, were. Use having. Use having for what? Have, has, had. Have, has, had. And use ing. Use ing for main verb. That's all. I have done three rules I have done. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4, rest. I mean rest of the part. Rest of the part of the clause. Rest of the part of the clause, that means though he is weak, in spite of his being weak, weak is the rest of the part of the clause. Rest of the part of the clause, then you will use comma. Then second clause. So my dear students, I have written the rules how to make simple sentence by using in spite of. Actually, you should remember the linkers. The linkers I mean, though although is a linker of complex sentence. Simple is in spite of is a linker of simple sentence. But is a linker of compound sentence. If you keep these linkers in your memory, long time, I think you will be very helpful for you to change any sentences. I mean, simple, complex, compound, complex, simple, compound, or compound, simple, complex. Whatever you want, you can change it very easily. So that's my advice to you. Try to remember, try to learn the linkers at first before going to deep the transformation of sentence. And another thing that you should remember, that if you do not do a lot of exercise, I think it will not be clear to you. That's why I have done five examples with rules. You will follow these rules, you will learn these rules, and you will be able to do exercise properly. So dear students, another one is compound sentence but. This is my in my today's class. I will discuss with you the rest of the part of my topics in my next class. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this online class. Take care of you. Goodbye.